Here comes the number train rolling down the track. But wait, Percy's train is moving in so fast. Oh no. Oh, what was that? Did you hear that? It sounded like a big crash. Let's go see what happened. Oh, Peppa, the number train crashed, and the numbers are everywhere. We should help put them back. Look, Suzy, we have number cards with balls. Kids, let's count together. Let's count the first one.
1.
That means number 1. Now, let's go find the number 1 on the train track. It's a red one.
1, 2.
That means number 2. It's a purple 2.
1, 2, 3.
That means number 3. It's a yellow 3.
1, 2, 3, 4.
That means number 4. It's a green 4.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
That means number 5. It's a blue 5. I want to do it too. It is so much fun. Go, Suzy.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
That means number 6. It's a red 6.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
That means number 7. It's a purple 7.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
That means number 8. It's a yellow 8.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
That means number 9. It's a green 9.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
That means number 10. It's a pink 10. All done. Great job, kids. The construction vehicles have finished their work too. The trains are all fixed and going the right way. We had so much fun counting and learning numbers. Did you have fun too? Peppa and Suzy says learning is so much fun. Thank you for watching.